Okay, so here we have our hydrogen cyanide monitor, the Sensit P100. We've installed an extra clip on the top to make it easier to attach to your gear or a BA, accountability board. Just makes it a little more user-friendly compared to the clip that's already installed. Once you get your hands on these units, you'll see that it's not as user-friendly as just attaching this simple clip on top. So, basic design of the unit. On the top, we have our alarm LEDs that will light up in red upon activation or upon alarm. On the left-hand side in white with the little cross here, that is where our sensor is. On the right-hand side, the little port here, that's our sounder. The on and off button is on the left-hand side, our LED screen, and then our zeroing button here on the right-hand side. Okay? So some features that are built into this unit are it has a time-weighted average calculator. So for every 10 minutes, if we get an average reading of over 4.7 parts per million, the alarm will go into activation. A short-term exposure limit. So if we get 15-minute readings averaging over 10 parts per million, it'll also go into alarm. It has an immediate low alarm activation of 4.7 parts per million, as you can see, and that alarm, the low alarm, will activate every 2 seconds plus a vibrate, and the high alarm will activate 10 parts per million every second plus a vibrate. The range for the unit is 0 to 30 parts per million. If we have readings greater than 30 parts per million, the reading on the screen you'll see an O and an L. If we have a BAT on the screen, that just indicates that we have a low battery and the unit requires service soon. If we have a BAT plus a low, battery low, that means the low battery, obviously, and the unit should be removed immediately from service. They are designed to have 2 years of continuous use from the time we put these in service. The MO on the screen, when this comes up, that'll just indicate how many months and days are left for the operation. And if we get a 12C anytime this unit is operating, that just indicates that service is required soon. So I have a couple more units here, and I'll activate them for you just to see what it's supposed to look like when we start them up. So I'm just going to press the on-off button, and you'll see the LED screen starts to light up. It'll activate all the segments and icons. You'll see the temperature in degrees Celsius. The alarms will sound, illuminate, and vibrate. It gives the low and high alarm value displays, the time-weighted average indicated by the TA, and the STL for the short-term exposure limit alarm value and displays, a serial number. It'll flash for 6 seconds and then it's operational. So I've got one more unit here that I will demonstrate with you. So once again, the gas, degrees Celsius, low and high, alarms, TWA, short-term exposure limits, serial number, and months and days left for service, or left, battery life left. Flash for 6 seconds, and then we're operational. So now we'll take you over to the bump test station.